900G Autoloader. The 900G Autoloader is designed to automatically transfer plastic granules from storage containers to the hopper of injection molding machines, ensuring continuous production and reducing manual handling. Benefits: continuous feeding, reduced manpower, improved productivity, consistent material supply applications, suitable for injection molding machines, blow molding machines, extrusion machines, PET processing lines, plastic recycling plants, industries served, automotive components, household products, toys manufacturing, electrical and electronics, packaging industry, medical products, agriculture components, furniture industry, and many more industries we serve. Key features: feeding capacity up to 450 kilograms per hour, powerful 1.5 kilowatt motor, 3-phase power supply, automatic vacuum loading system, high-efficiency motor with low power consumption, stainless steel hopper for durability and contamination-free material handling, easy installation and operation, built-in filter and overload protection, compact design suitable for various molding machines, reduces labor and improves productivity, smart material feeding for uninterrupted production, Maruti Mech Plast, Private Limited, complete injection molding solutions under one roof.